Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add image on Google Sheet. Now let's get started. First open your Google Sheet apps, and after this in here you just click on on your project that you want to add image. And now if you want add image, so you just click on the columns that you want to add image, maybe this one, click on it. And after this, at the top you just click on the plus icon, click on it. And now in here you just click on the image, click on image, click on, you can choose you wanna add image to in the cell or image over the cells. I wanna try to image in cell first. Click on it and click from photo and add the photo that you want to add, maybe this one. Okay, if you wanna add the photo in the cell, so like this, but now I wanna try to add photo in not in the cell. Okay, you just click on the cell that you want to add the photos, and after this in here just click on the plus icon again at the top, click on image, and then click on image over cells, click from photos and click the photo that you want to add like this. Okay, so you can see this different, so this is the different. And so that's how to add image on a Google Sheet. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.